Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is not any musical video or any music tracks. Today's video is going to be a technical video. Basically, it's going to be a tutorial video. In this video, you will be able to see how I make music using my laptop, or how one can make music using laptop. Well, it does require some softwares. So the software which I use is GarageBand. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make music in GarageBand. Now basically in GarageBand there are two options for making music. First is that you can play it in your synthesizer and record it and then do the editing in it, or there is if you select an MP3 project, which I am going to show after some time, then there is also an visual keyboard, or what should I say, as the on-screen keyboard, in which after pressing the record button you can play your own tracks and then do some editing. Other than that, if for the simple making music easier, or for the process of making music easier, there are also some pre-functioned music in the which is provided by the GarageBand, that is which are known as the Apple loops. So in this video I'm going to show you both the ways that how can you make music by using the Apple loops and by using the keyboard, the on-screen keyboard option. Okay, so now let us start the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video, and of course don't forget to put a like. Okay, so after we open the GarageBand, this menu appears in which we are going to select the empty project. Now first I'm going to show you how you can make music using the on-screen keyboard. So here we have the play sounds from your Mac. We are of course going to select this. There are many options. We can always play sound from Mac, record microphone, then record guitar, or record the drums. It's not actually, these drums are also predefined functions. So first we are going to select this one, create. Okay, so now as we can see, there appears a keyboard. Let's pull up the volume. So I'm just not going to tune any melody. I'm just going to play a simple track. It's just not actually a track, but there's going to be some notes. So I'm going to press here in this red button, which is the record. So yeah, that's it, and we are going to stop the record. Okay, so now we can see that there is an created. Now we are going to cancel this from here. We can see now that an audio file is created over here, an audio track is created over here. So we're going to play it here and we're going to listen it. So yeah, so this was for playing the sounds from inside your Mac. That is, you have to play it for yourself. Now this one takes a lot time, because first of all, the keyboard conditions in GarageBand are not so much good, because you cannot actually play those fast melodies inside the GarageBand keyboard. And after that, I'm now going to show you how you can create music using the Apple loops. Now first we are going to delete this. So here for editing, see, if I want to pull it like over here, all of these can be done. So this is a very long process. And now there is also shortcut method for creating music. So now we are going to go to edit. We're going to select all. Select all means selecting the track. Then we are again going to edit and delete it. So that's it, done. Now we're going to delete this one. Okay, delete. Yeah, it's deleted. Okay, now we're going to press over this icon present over here. Now as we can see, various types of options of loops are given. Okay, Now it's just we have to listen them and drag it over here. It's a very easy task. Okay, now I'm going to start by a very simple melody. Okay, let's select this one. This looks good. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it over here to the liner, and I'm going to put the over here. So it's paused. Now I'm going to again take this one. Let us see. Let's add two melodies. No, we're going to take the above and beyond synth, and I'm going to again take it and drag it over here. Okay, I hope the camera is clear. Okay, so yeah, that's over here. Now let us just take a listen to this one. Yeah, this one is the first melody that I'm going to do, and after that let us just put some this one looks good, this one matches with my other track, so I'm just going to select this, drag it, hold it and drag it over here. Okay, so that's how it is easy making songs using Apple loops. Okay, now again I'm going to add this one more here after shock synth lead. Okay, and then again I'm going to return to my original melody, that is above and beyond synth. Above and beyond synth, and again above and beyond synth. So here it is done, and now I'm going to add some beats. Now as I've been using GarageBand for a long period of time, I know that what beat suits my music first, so I directly know the beat, but you can find it just by pressing it over here, beats in over here. So I'm just going to type it over here, search all night tech beats. So yeah, it's over here. All night tech beat is a very big it's a very interesting beat. Yeah, that's how it sounds. So I'm just now going to select it and drag it over here. Again select it and drag it over here. Again select it and drag it over here. Again select it and drag it over here. Select and drag. 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 Select and drag, and select and drag. In this video I am not going to make a complete music track because then it's going to take a long time, so I'm just creating this simple melody. This is just a sample for how to create or how to make music using Apple loops. Okay, now an important note is that you cannot add music in this area. It is because it is reserved for the classic electric piano or any piano. This means that originally in the first, at the beginning of this video, we had created an audio file by playing the keyboard, but that keyboard area is only reserved for the this area is only reserved for the keyboard playings or for audio tracks. These are not audio tracks, these are Apple loops. There are also some audio tracks which are provided by the GarageBand. We are going to see them. Let's see if it's possible, because there are many options. Yes, there are some in the organs, or yeah, as you can see them, these are all audio tracks, because we can distinguish them by, because they are having a green logo over here. But the audio tracks are not so good as for the dancing or dance numbers like that. So yeah, now this is how it is simple it is to create music using GarageBand. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It is now see, it is I know that it's a very short time video. It's a very short video, because it is not possible for me to teach all the features of GarageBand in just this simple video. Now in this video I had shown all of you that how you can make music using simple Apple loops. uh, uh, there are different types of Apple loops. Now I make music only like the dance music, so for making the dance music Apple loops, I selected those types of music like the Above and Beyond, and it's a very good music. I have used it in my origin music track, which is my first music track. And apart from that, there are many numerous options by which you can drag it and click it. And this is, first of all, it's easy, and second of all, if you have the full version of GarageBand, things are things become difficult, because there are thousands of options and you have to listen to each and every one of them so that you can get your best results. So I think that uh, dragging Apple loops is not a very easy task, because one must have the sense of musical rhythm in himself or herself, and you have to be patient very much to listen to each and every tracks. So I think that those who wanted to learn how to make GarageBand music using Apple loops in GarageBand, of course, and I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. I would be very happy to reply to it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am telling it again. And after that, please visit my please listen to my music tracks which I had composed and I have posted in my this YouTube channel. I hope all of you will enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.